Hello, my family people out there. I hope all of you are doing well. It's your girl again, Bellissima. If today is the first time of watching this channel, please like this channel, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Today we are coming to prepare spinach soup or kontomire soup. So let's go on with our ingredients. We have our spinach, cow meat, smoked cow leg, turkey neck, okro, mushroom, tomatoes, habanero pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, salt to taste. The spices that we are going to use, those are our natural spices, 1 teaspoon, and then Maggi and star cube. Those are our dry fish. Those are our crabs, herrings, Kako. In Ghana we call it Kako, and this catfish. And we have our octopus, salted octopus. So let's go on and start. We are starting by putting our, it's very hard, so we are using the cow leg and then the meat to start our soup. It has been already washed. Then add our crabs and 1 sedan of Kako. And I'll saute with salt. I'm going to blend my onion, ginger, and garlic. I'm cutting my ginger and then onion to blend. Going to blend it. Pour a little bit of water on it. Just a little bit. Okay. Then you blend it. Our blended ginger, garlic, and onion is ready. Pour it. Use a little bit of water. Grate it and put it inside. And then we cut our onion. 1 small onion. To season it, Then we add our dry spice, the 1 teaspoon. Your Maggi. We are not going to add salt right now because of the Kako. It's very salty. So we don't want our soup to be too salty. And another teaspoon. It's okay. You add a little bit of water. Season. The cow is very hard, so it's going on fire. So once my meat is on fire, I'm boiling my spinach, habanero pepper, and then my tomatoes and onion. Everything has been already washed. Add my tomatoes, habanero pepper, and my 1 ginger onion. little bit water on it. It's okay. Let me cover it and put it on fire. Guys, let's check our meat and then taste if the salt is okay. I like the scent. Very delicious. Let's add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. Not too much. Delicious. Saturday afternoon camp with fufu. Going to enjoy it with fufu. It's now time for me to add my herrings. Habanero. Let me add my herrings, Ebunuebunu. Then my blended spinach, tomatoes, onions. Whoa! My soup is going to be. Let me wash inside my blender. Oh la la! Ebunuebunu is getting ready. And mine, if you are doing Ebunuebunu, it doesn't need for you to add more tomatoes. That's why I only add 2 tomatoes. With Ebunuebunu, we don't add more tomatoes. Let me taste it. It's not good, but it's very delicious. Going to make something. Make sure you try it. Don't watch it. Just watch it. Try it. Our fufu is mixed, I've mixed my fufu. I'm going to enjoy it. This potatoes flour with cornstarch. Hello guys, let's add our catfish. Soup is getting ready. Adwene, we call it Adwene in our local language. The catfish. Oh, very light. Delicious. Hello guys, our soup is ready. We are going to enjoy it with our fufu, and we boiled our okro separately. Very soft. We're going to serve with our fufu. That's our 3 okra. Our mushroom. 2 was boiled separately. So let's serve it. If today is the first time of watching this video, please like this video, share, comment, and subscribe. Look, it's our salted fish, our turkey neck, cow leg. Let's add some meat too. Adwene kakra. Adwene kakra. Where's our herrings? Where is Eban? He's coming. Come and enjoy fufu with Ebunuebunu Kontomire soup. Yes. Here's the herrings. Yeah, I've got one. All right. We need to enjoy it. Close it. Hey, everybody's invited. So delicious. Mamma mia. It's hot. The salted octopus. You need to try it. Where's my okro? Very soft. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we have a